starring Miller, Matt Damon. Welcome.
What I wanted to do was to take the genre that broad audiences like, in other words, the sort of action thriller genre, and just take it right outside the door and put it in that world. I tried to make a film here that in a sense tried to marry some of the stylistic approaches of '93 and some of the storytelling tropes of Bourne Ultimatum, and try and find a film that captures something of both. That's the idea.
My goal really, when I'm working, no matter what role I'm playing, is to try to be as believable as possible. To help me do that, in this case, Paul cast all veterans just back from Iraq, who were non-actors, they were soldiers and Marines.
On a fait une descente. Notre homme était là. Et qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Les types des forces spéciales sont arrivés et ils l'ont embarqué.
Ça vous dépasse, toi, et ta bande de petits branleurs.
When those that led us into this thing said there were weapons and they had the intelligence, and when they got there were none, they said this thing was going to make the world safer, it made it more dangerous. They said they would make the Middle East bloom with democracy. They set the place on fire. And somewhere in that great turbulence, dislocation occurred, and dislocation that's remained with us, and that's what this film's about. It's an attempt to take the thriller and connect it with the real world where it always should be, and tell a great story, engage a broad audience, and make a rewarding cinematic experience. So that's the mission.
Je sais ce que vous avez fait.
People want films with passion that have a point of view, and then they can either agree with them or disagree with them, or it can make them disgust. That's what cinema is when it's best. It's alive.